Here's a 2016 Lexus GX 460. Your trips into the wild can be civilized. The capability and serenity of this GX 460 prove it does one thing exceptionally well: everything. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll bar, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, smart access key, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection calls the GX 460 easy to drive smoothly, yet moves quite quickly when you need it to. Lexus, performance in every detail. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.